Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel which is called Odia Girl of Substance. By now, you must be aware that I talk about women health, hygiene and wellness, and I want to thank each one of you for your support. And those who are watching this video and haven't subscribed me, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe me now so that I can update you with each and every video automatically. So let's get started. Today's topic is very interesting, it's very important, and a lot of female have written to me and asked me, Swapna, if you can help me in some way. So today's topic is how to get over white discharge. So let me first tell you that white discharge is very normal. Those female who are saying that they have abnormal white discharge, first they must be aware if the white discharge is normal or abnormal. To know that, I have already made a video. You can check that and know if your white discharge is normal. Today's video is for those whose white discharge is abnormal, and when it is abnormal, if it is itching, if it is smelly, if it is curdy, if it has change in color. In that case, your white discharge is abnormal. So here I have some 5 tips, easy tips you can follow at home and correct your white discharge. Well, let me correct myself. You cannot correct your white discharge. What you can do is, you can just keep a balance. So what you need to do, first and foremost, I have been repeating this from a very long time, that friends, you need to keep your vagina really very dry. Let me correct, not vagina, but your vulva. You need to keep it really very, very dry. Do not ever wear wet panties. What we usually do is, after peeing, we just wear our panties. Make it a habit to clean the vagina first. Keep a small napkin in your bathroom for uses, friends. Just make the vagina dry and then wear the panty. So keeping it dry is very important, because if not done in this way, if not kept dry, then it can lead to a lot of infection, irritation, itching and a lot of vaginal issues. So dryness is first thing, and this will improve your white discharge. Second, make it a habit to clean yourself properly every time after intercourse. I would request all of you to do that. Make it a habit. This will prevent any kind of infection, any kind of sexually transmitted disease or infection, and thus your white balance, your white discharge would remain normal. Third and very important thing, what we female have a tendency, even I had this tendency, of washing my vagina from inside, like flushing a lot of water to keep it clean. That is what I thought it was clean. But friends, I am going to debunk this myth. It is not cleaning it that well. What it does, it by excessive flushing of water, we are getting rid of lactobacillus. This is a bacteria, a normal bacteria that helps keeping the white discharge and the vaginal health quite normal. So I would request all of you, clean the vagina from outside. That's enough, because your vagina is great. It has the ability to clean all by itself. You need not flush a lot of water, because if you do that, you are going to lose a lot of important bacteria that is really useful for your body. So do not flush. This is the third tip. Fourth important tip, we Indians have a tendency to wash first our anal area and then come to the pubic hair and vaginal area. But this is a really wrong practice and a total no. You need to first wash the vaginal area and then go to the anal area, because if you don't do that, some kind of infection can get transmitted from the anal area. So make it a point to reverse the process. Please reverse the process. The material of your panties matter a lot. Please go for the cotton ones. Never go for the synthetic or any other material. They can be irritated. They can be really harmful for your vagina. So I hope you got my point. So these are 5 easy tips that you must follow to balance your white discharge. In case you found my video really informative, like I say every time, do not stop yourself from sharing, liking and subscribe my channel. Thank you.